Hi guys, this is Marieta Oslanec, founder of ImmigrationBIz.com, and in this video I would like to talk about the source of investment when you are investing and applying for E2 investor visa. So let's talk about source of investment. What is source of investment? If you are investor and you are thinking to invest substantial amount of capital into business, new business, it can be startup, or you can even buy established business in the US, you need to prove the source of your investment. This is very important because the source of your investment must be a legal source, and we need to document where the source came from. So step by step track everything. So the question is, what can be this source? You can have a loan as a source of your investment. It can be personal loan or business loan. You can get you can receive a gift from your family member, or you can receive a gift from your spouse or anybody that you are associated with. You can receive, you can use your income, your personal income, or you can use your savings as an investment. You can use a heritage. Basically, any kind of legal income is fine. Now, if you, for example, going to use as an investment money that you receive, let's say you sold a property or you sold a business, and then you're going to use this investment money as a E2 visa investment, as a source of investment. We need to document basically everything. You need to document how you got the money, where the money came from, how they got to your bank account. So for example, let's take an example that you sold a property and you are going to use these proceeds as an investment. You sold a real estate property, you need to document a contract that you sold the property and you received the money, the wire, incoming wire to your bank account. And after that, you take the money and you wire the money to your corporate bank account in the US. Therefore, it's very important, if you are investor, to have a corporate bank account in the US where you're transferring the funds, and then you are using these funds for E2 visa purposes from this bank account. So don't mix the funds. Let's say you are investing and you are spending money from your personal bank account in your home country, then it's very difficult to show where the money came from, and it's a little bit messy. So usually CPAs, they don't like it. So I recommend to wire the money from your personal bank account or wherever you're wiring the money from to your corporate bank account in the US, and then spend the money from there. So you're going to track where the investment came from. So you sold the property, you received the money, it came to your bank account, then you wired the money to your corporate bank account in the US. So all these transactions you need to document. So this is just an example. Another example, if you sold a business, you might show that number one, contract, number two, tax returns. It can be personal tax returns, business tax returns. You need to really document everything. Let's say you got a gift from your parent. As a gift you receive, let's say $50,000. Then you need to show where your parent got the money from. And we show that by either tax returns or the current bank statement or the statement when the person, your parent, received the money. So really we need to document every single step, every single transaction to make sure that you have a legal source. And this is so important because if you don't do it, you may receive either request for additional evidence from the USCIS. And by the way, I did a video on request for additional evidence, so check it out. If you do receive requests, don't freak out, it's totally okay. Now, if you, for example, don't document everything, you might receive also either denial of your E2 visa. In that case, if you receive denial at the US Embassy, I encourage you to reapply again. And if you receive the request for additional evidence, just follow the instruction in the request and make sure that you document every single transaction properly. Guys, if you have any questions, comments, please leave them below this video. Also, if you are an investor, check out free ebook that I did on E2 visa at ImmigrationBIz.com. And if you like this video, please like it, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to receive more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching.